Hi everyone, my name is Blaec Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to install PyTorch in a Jupyter notebook in the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com, and I'm inside of my first project with a Jupyter notebook open called GPU Optimization. And what I'd like to do is make sure that I have access to PyTorch to be able to run the script. So to do that, I'm going to click on the Servers button located on the left-hand side, make sure that the Compute Servers tab is selected, and then click Create Compute Server. And here I have a few options. I can use CoCalc's API integration with Google Cloud or HyperStack. I can select my own self-hosted resources like a local laptop or server, or even use another cloud provider of my choice in my own billing account. Today I'm going to use HyperStack for my example. And I do just want to mention that there are both spot and standard instances that are available, so you can get a nice discount in this case. And here are the official NVIDIA Docker images for PyTorch, TensorFlow, Google Colab, Llama, CUDA, and JAX. Now I'll choose PyTorch. And this is a 15 gigabyte Docker image, so I do have to acknowledge that this will take an extra few minutes the first time that I start this up. So this will take about 10 minutes. And then you can enable a custom subdomain with an SSL certificate, and you can even enable collaborator control. So if you have a project collaborator that you'd like to be able to start, stop, suspend, or resume your compute server at your expense, so that all goes to your billing account. So do please be aware of that. But you have the option to do that by clicking on this checkbox here. Okay, and then I would click Start Server and wait about 10 minutes, and then the server would start up. Luckily, I already have one started up right here. So this is my compute server with the PyTorch image. So from my notebook, I can click on the Server button, and from the drop-down menu, I'll select my active compute server with the PyTorch image. And now this big colored bar across the top shows that I am running this script remotely on this machine. And I can run all of the cells. So it's doing a training on the CPU, and then it'll do a training on the GPU and show the difference. So here you can see it took 16.73 seconds to train the neural network on the CPU, and then it only took 0.16 seconds to be able to train on the GPU. Okay? So that was just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI to install PyTorch in a Jupyter notebook, but please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.